Here I will show you the way I have changed the polarity of the Minimig, because it has no outlet to change. I want to change for suitable for the fluxcore wiring, welding. I have changed the connection with the rectifier. That's here and here. This one I used a small copper strip because otherwise the wire was too short to make the connection with the rectifier. Even you have changed the wires, the small wires, to the regulator for the motor, for the speed of the wire. It's very easy here. The double white on this one and this one on that one. That's the only change. Here is a schedule. So I made it. I hope give you good luck and success with the change.